Hey guys, it's 7:08:58 PM Melbourne time. We're doing the random now for teams for dual case tonight. Okay, so participants are going 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Yoink. Same. Okay, so that's that one. And now we go to teams. How many times? Nope, we're done again. Nope, we're done again. Fuck, it's a buddy. Let's do that 2 times. Come on, give me a different number. Alright, there you fuck. Jesus. We'll do it 2 times. What would it been for 2? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 10. There's there. Team draw is complete. Teams, I'll run through in 1 second. Where is it? Okay, so it's Andrew Cock with the Spurs, Danny Dunn Thunder, Nick Powell Heat, Jacob Birch with Pistons, Irvine with Hornets, Glenn Bowe with Kings, Charles with Cavs, Kieran with Hawks, Fuck You Razes from Coulson gets Celtics, Jacob Birch Mavericks, Cannon Wizards, Joseph Wykes Nuggets, Danny Dunn Pacers, Druitt Rockets, Charles Pelicans, Dobell Sixers, Maddie Wolves, Leah Blazers, Carlos with the Grizzlies, Hinge with the Knicks, Jacob Birch with the Bucks, Van Sanderson Jazz, Wilco Warriors, Kirchner Suns, Coulson Nader Nets, Birch Magic, Coulson Bulls, Lakers with George Dimas, Cannon with Raptors, and Irvine with Clippers, and that's it.